Today our new project is making amazing binder for your workshop, so watch full video and learn a lot. First you need bolt and to nut cut the big cap. After these step, insert nuts in bolt. Watch every step carefully. It's done. We need a rebar. Weld this rebar center of the bolts from both sides strongly. Key in the both sides from grinder and make your weld smooth. Weld this 1-inch pieces on the both nuts. Removed both nuts and make your welding strong. Clean both nuts with chipping hammer. Now it's ready. Install both nuts and pick up C-channel. It's the next step. You need 4x3 C-channel. Put it on C-channel and weld both pieces strongly. Look to weld places carefully. Now we need 2 clamps of rebar, and we weld both clamps on C-channel perfectly. After welding, clean welding spots. Look these pieces, its diameter and length which you need making for your job. Then weld it with rebar properly. It's the main point of your binder. Make sure its weld is perfect. After done your welding, clean both sides. Cut edge of C-channel from all sides and make it beautiful. Take care when you use cutting disc. Safety is our first priority. Guys, and so simple and useful idea. Your tool is ready, so color spray on it, make it amazing. After finishing the spray, your tool is ready for work. You weld it on working table properly. It looks so amazing. You bind perfectly everything, every metal for your workshop so easily. Look at these rods, we bind it so perfectly. It's just for example. After binding rods, I show you a plate binding. It's so simple and easy idea. You bind rebar irons, concrete irons, plates when you needed. This tool is very important for your workshop. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Subscribe my channel, like and share with your friends. See you in interesting technical video. Thanks for your time.